Hey there, this is Eric Page from Living Well Balance. I'm the Corrective Exercise Specialist as well as Director of Rehabilitation here at Living Well Balance. Today we're going to just take a little time to talk about corrective exercise, what it actually is, and how it actually ties into collaborative care here as a whole.
To learn more about chiropractic care, the benefits of medical massage therapy and the IVs and everything natural that we do in our office, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and definitely click the bell. That way you'll be notified when we get our new video out.
Corrective exercise is not trying to reinvent the wheel. It is a system of assessments, self-myofascial release teachings, active self-care, and the sense of stretching, and as well as dynamic movement to work on different movement dysfunctions, pains, ailments, and many different manners. We want to make sure that we are taking an approach into your all-around care in the rehab room here and be as collaborative as possible. You know, what that means is that I myself, I can't do everything, right? I'm very great at what I do and I wish I could help so many more, but sometimes there are experts that I have to lean on to, just like here at Living Well Balance. This team works together in collaboration, whether it's massage therapy for soft tissue assessments, whether we're using dry needling with our physical therapists, going into deep fascia and other activations that we can't normally get to from an exercise standpoint. This allows us to not just look at the body in one simple way, but look at it as a whole entire system of movement to give you the best advantages to eliminating pain, understanding how your body moves, and as well as working over some of the greatest feats that you've kind of gone across into your life. This gives us a great advantage because we all get to see each other at shoulder level. Being able to use this care to see so many different things being done, whether it is practicing better movements, whether it's learning to how to address those things at home when you just can't get in front of your trainer or your physical therapist. This is a great time to take out a pen, paper, and write down, what do I actually want to do with my body? Give yourself 5 suggestions on, do I want to move better? Do I want to feel better? Do I want to dress better in the sense of how my clothes fit? And all around health. Even asking yourself, am I afraid of something? Is something keeping me back from my best self? Come to Living Well Balance. Let us actually take a time to work with you, whether that it's assessment or you're just getting some professional help and get some answers to some of your greatest problems.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you got a gem or two out of it, please make sure to like it and share it across your social media. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure you do that and definitely hit the bell so that way you get alerted every time we get a new video release. Speaking of videos, we got 2 great videos right here.